Good morning and welcome to another one of Liderazgo's videos. I'm a very firm believer that any business is only as good as the people you have in it. This video showcases our wonderful staff. We have people out of our Johannesburg office and our Durban office that will introduce themselves to you. They are the foundation of our business and make Liderazgo what it is. They are the ones that deliver the world-class customer service that you enjoy. They are the ones that deliver the wonderful quality training that you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thank you once again.
Hi everyone, my name is Bromilow. I am the Financial and HR Manager of Liderazgo. Fun fact about me is that everyone within the office would say I'm a jack of all trades and can do almost anything in this office.
Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I'm the Quality and E-Learning Manager for the Joburg and the KZN branch. Just a reminder that Liderazgo can do virtually anything.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosemary. I am the Operational Manager for Liderazgo Skills Development. Fun fact about me, I never put salt on my food because I am already spicy enough.
Hi, my name is Thandeka and I'm the Office Administrator for the Johannesburg branch. So when you come here, I'm the first face that you will see. A fun fact about me is that my second name is Harmony and I bring peace to Liderazgo.
Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Mkhize. I'm the new administrator for the Liderazgo KZN. I look forward to taking all your calls, your emails, WhatsApp, any contact. I'm here to help you. One of my fun facts is I love to bungee jumping. So contact me and let's jump right into fun training.
Hi everyone, my name is Lynn. I am the marketing lady of the KZN region. I'm looking forward to building new relationships and looking after our existing customers. Fun fact about me is I love voice notes.
Hi, my name is Reid. I'm the Facilitator Assessor at Liderazgo Skills Relevant, and a fun fact about me, I have a very dry sense of humour.
Hi, my name is Geustyn. I'm a facilitator, an assessor, moderator for Liderazgo, and I'm based here at Zimba Tankers, who's doing cross-border transportation of fuel and assets.
My name is Ephraim. I'm working for the company called Liderazgo as a facilitator and an assessor for that company. What I like the most is soccer, and I'm very happy about the trainings that I do. I do health and safety, firefighting, first aid, dangerous goods, handling of dangerous goods, and a number of other trainings, and I'm very, very excited.
Hi everyone, my name is Gulliver. I'm the newest member of the KZN Liderazgo team, and I'll be doing all the facilitation in the KZN region. I'm looking forward to meeting all our new clients and teaching all our new clients and students the Liderazgo way. A little fun fact about me is that people say my English is impeccable because I drank too much Woolworths water.